Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be learning a few more chords. We're going to be learning the A chord. We're also going to be learning the D chord, and we're going to be learning an E7. So 3 more chords. We're going to start off with A. So the A chord is played by placing your pointer finger onto the 1st fret, 2nd string from the top, right here. And your middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret, top string. So pointer finger, 1st fret, 2nd to the top string, and then the middle finger follows to the top, right here. So it should look like this, these two. And it should sound like this. So let's practice the A by doing a down up strum. Ready? 1, 2, 3, strum. Okay, so the second chord that we're going to learn today is the D chord. The D, your finger is actually going to stay, I like to use my middle finger, is going to stay in the 2nd fret, and it's going to be the top, 2nd to the top, and the 2nd from the bottom strings, covered by your middle finger. If you can place your middle finger on the top 3 strings, and then leaving a gap so that the bottom string is open. I don't know if you can see that the way I'm holding it. But anyway, if you have a hard time placing your finger flat here, you can always take your thumb and you can put your thumb over the top 3 strings, leaving the bottom one open, and it comes out with the same effect. So if you're holding down the 3 strings with your middle finger, it should sound like this. Whereas if you use your thumb, it's going to sound the same. It's just however comfortable you feel doing it. This is a little awkward, but it helps because when you're moving between chords, it's easier for a finger. Whereas if you're using your thumb to move around, you have to be a little bit quicker with your wrist action. But like I said, it's whatever is comfortable for you. So the D sounds like this. Okay, we're going to do the down up strums. 1, 2, 3. Third and final chord that we're learning today is the E7. E7, you're going to start by placing your pointer finger on the top string, 1st fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd to the top string, 2nd fret. See that? Right over here. 1, 2. And then your ring finger is actually going to go same fret, number 2, 2nd fret, on the bottom string. So the pointer finger, top string, 1st fret, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret, 2nd to the top string, and then your ring finger is going to go right on top of the bottom string of the same fret, 2nd fret, and it's going to sound like this. So now we're going to practice the down up strums of the E7. 1, 2, 3. Keep going back like that. A, D, A, E7, A, D, A, E7. Alright, and let's just keep a steady beat, down, up, down, up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Starting with A. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go. Good job. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to try playing the chords to the melody of the song Wipeout. So when you're strumming it, we're going to do a quick count, fast counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. From here, then we get into the picking. Alright, so for the picking, you're going to start off on the 3rd fret, and you're going to go ahead and take your pointer finger, and you're going to place it onto the 2nd string from the bottom, and the 3rd fret. Okay, and then you're going to line your fingers up, your ring finger, your middle finger and your ring finger. We're going to line up right in front of those, your pointer finger. So see that when you pick it? So this is the kind of motion we're going to actually do. You start off with your finger actually off the fretboard. So it's going to be an open pluck. So you're going to hit it here. And you're going to place your pointer finger on top of that 3rd fret, 2nd string from the bottom. And you're going to line up your middle finger right after your pointer, and then you're going to place your ring finger right in front of your middle finger, and you hit that one twice. So it should sound like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to lift your fingers up and go back down. So you should actually be in this position from the beginning. Now you're going to pluck one more time with your ring finger down. And then you lift up both your ring finger and your middle finger. So you should just have your pointer finger on top of the 3rd fret. And then you're going to lift your pointer finger up so it's open again. And you're going to pluck it twice. So it should sound like this. And when you put the beginning and the back together, it's going to look like this. The second part to this is you're going to actually move from the 2nd to the bottom string to actual bottom strings, and it's going to be the same exact motions that we did on the 2nd to the bottom strings that we're going to be doing on the bottom strings itself. So it's going to sound like this. See that? So it's the same motions that we're doing, we're just doing it 1 string lower. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're actually going to move up from the 3rd fret up to the 5th fret. Now the 5th fret should have a dot above your pointer finger, and the 7th fret should actually have a dot above your ring finger. So this is a good marker here to tell you where you should be when you move from the 3rd fret and you're moving up. Okay, so you're on the 5th, 6th, and 7th fret, still on the bottom string. Okay, and this is where you pluck with your ring finger down. You pluck it 3 times. Then you're going to lift up your ring and your middle fingers. You're going to pluck it once. And then you're going to lift up your pointer finger and just do an open pluck 2 times. So it should sound like this. Try that again. All fingers down. Then you're going to place your ring finger back onto the 7th fret. And you pluck it once. And you're going to move your middle finger down to the 5th fret, the other dot. You hit that 3 times. Then your pointer finger is going to move to where the C position is, or the 3rd fret bottom string. You need to pluck that 1 time. And then open up your finger and hit that twice. So it should actually sound like this. So the last part is you're going to move up to the 2nd to the bottom string, 3rd fret, and put your finger back down. So it's the same as the beginning. And then you're going to take your pointer finger off and pluck it a few more times. Okay, so when you put it all together, it should look like this. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.